A landscape once considered unusable. For decades, deserts were widely viewed as empty and lifeless regions, vast stretches of land defined by extreme temperatures, shifting sand dunes, and almost no natural resources that could support large-scale human activity. Because of these harsh conditions, most countries avoided developing infrastructure in such environments, as construction costs were high, maintenance was difficult, and long-term stability was uncertain. In China, however, this traditional perception is being fundamentally redefined. Instead of treating deserts as unusable or wasted land, they are now being reconsidered as strategic spaces with untapped potential. Large areas of desert are being transformed into active zones for development, renewable energy production, and environmental restoration projects. This shift represents a major change in how land resources are understood and utilized. What was once dismissed as barren and unproductive territory is now being integrated into national planning frameworks, where it serves multiple purposes at the same time. Rather than being excluded from development, desert regions are becoming part of a broader strategy aimed at expanding usable space, supporting energy needs, and improving environmental balance over the long term, turning desert into productive land. One of the core objectives of China's desert development initiatives is to transform previously unusable land into productive and functional space. Instead of allowing desert regions to remain isolated and inactive, these areas are being gradually integrated into broader development and environmental strategies. Large-scale efforts are currently underway to stabilize shifting sand dunes and slow down desert expansion. Through engineered ground reinforcement techniques and carefully planned ecological interventions, the movement of sand is being controlled in targeted regions. Alongside this, vegetation programs are being introduced to improve soil stability and gradually restore ecological balance in selected areas. These environmental improvements are essential because they create the foundation needed for future infrastructure development. Once the land becomes more stable, it becomes possible to construct roads, energy facilities, and other large-scale projects with reduced risk. At the same time, desert regions are also being utilized for industrial and energy production purposes. Large solar farms and renewable energy zones are being established in areas that receive high sunlight exposure and have minimal competing land use. This makes deserts highly suitable for large-scale clean energy generation. Through this combined approach of ecological restoration and industrial development, vast areas of land that were once considered unproductive are now being systematically integrated into the country's economic and energy infrastructure. Solar power expansion in desert regions. Desert regions provide one of the most valuable natural conditions for renewable energy development, consistent and uninterrupted sunlight throughout the year. Unlike urban or coastal areas where weather patterns and space limitations can restrict large installations, deserts offer wide-open land and stable solar exposure, making them highly suitable for large-scale energy projects. China has been actively developing massive solar installations in these desert regions, where vast stretches of land are available for uninterrupted expansion. These projects are not limited to small-scale setups. Instead, they cover thousands of acres, forming extensive solar energy zones that can operate continuously and efficiently. By transforming empty desert landscapes into structured energy-producing fields, these solar farms turn unused space into a productive national asset. The scale of these installations allows for significant energy output, contributing directly to the country's growing electricity demand. At the same time, placing renewable energy infrastructure in desert regions helps reduce pressure on urban land, which is often limited and heavily utilized for housing, industry, and infrastructure. This strategic shift allows cities to remain focused on development, while energy generation is moved to areas better suited for large-scale deployment, combating desertification. Beyond energy production and infrastructure development, one of the most critical objectives of China's desert projects is controlling the gradual expansion of deserts. This process, known as desertification, is a serious environmental challenge where once fertile land slowly degrades into desert due to changing climate conditions, overuse of land resources, deforestation, and long-term ecological imbalance. To address this issue, China has been implementing large-scale ecological restoration programs designed to slow down and, in some cases, reverse desert expansion. These efforts focus on restoring environmental stability in vulnerable regions through a combination of natural and engineered solutions. One of the key strategies involves planting vegetation barriers that act as natural shields against wind and sand movement. These green belts help anchor the soil and reduce the spread of shifting dunes into nearby areas. Alongside this, soil stabilization techniques are used to improve ground conditions and support long-term vegetation growth. In addition, engineering methods are applied to control sand movement and protect surrounding land from erosion. These combined efforts are carefully planned to create a gradual but steady improvement in environmental conditions. Over time, these restoration measures play an important role in protecting nearby agricultural land and urban settlements from being affected by expanding desert zones, helping maintain ecological balance while preserving valuable productive land. Engineering against harsh conditions. Building in desert environments demands highly advanced and carefully planned engineering solutions due to the extreme and unpredictable nature of these regions. Unlike stable urban areas, deserts present continuous environmental pressure that directly impacts construction, durability, and long-term infrastructure performance. One of the biggest challenges is the extreme temperature variation. Deserts can experience intense heat during the day and significantly lower temperatures at night, which puts constant stress on construction materials. In addition to this, strong winds and shifting sand dunes create ongoing structural risks, as sand movement can gradually affect foundations, surfaces, and exposed systems over time. To overcome these challenges, engineers rely on specialized construction materials designed to withstand harsh environmental conditions. These materials are selected for their strength, thermal resistance, and long-term stability. Alongside this, construction techniques are adapted to ensure that structures remain secure, even under continuous environmental pressure. Every structure is designed with durability as a core requirement, ensuring that it can maintain functionality over extended periods without frequent failure or repair. This is especially important in remote desert regions where maintenance access can be difficult. In many large-scale projects, automation and remote monitoring systems are also integrated into the infrastructure. These systems help track performance, detect issues early, and reduce the need for constant on-site human presence in such challenging environments. This combination of engineering precision and smart monitoring allows long-term development in conditions that were once considered unsuitable for construction. Massive afforestation efforts. A key pillar of China's desert transformation strategy is the implementation of large-scale afforestation and vegetation development programs. These initiatives are designed to introduce plant life into regions that were previously dominated by shifting sand and unstable terrain, with the long-term goal of reshaping the ecological structure of desert areas. The primary purpose of these efforts is to create natural barriers that stabilize the soil and reduce the movement of sand caused by wind erosion. Once vegetation takes root, it helps bind the soil together, making the surface more stable and resistant to further degradation. Over time, this process gradually improves soil quality and supports the development of more sustainable ecological systems. In several regions, carefully planned green belts are being established along the edges of desert zones. These vegetated areas act as transitional buffers that slow down desert expansion and, in some cases, gradually reclaim land that was previously considered unusable. By reinforcing these boundaries, surrounding agricultural and inhabited areas gain additional protection from encroaching desert conditions. Although this process is slow and requires long-term commitment, it is designed to produce lasting environmental change rather than immediate results. The focus is not on quick fixes, but on creating stable ecological conditions that can support future land use, infrastructure development, and environmental balance over time. Infrastructure development in desert zones. As desert regions gradually become more stable through ecological restoration and environmental control measures, large-scale infrastructure development begins to become feasible. Areas that were once considered completely inaccessible due to shifting sand and harsh conditions are now being carefully integrated into development planning. In these regions, road networks are being constructed to improve connectivity and enable transportation of materials, equipment, and resources. Alongside this, energy facilities such as solar and wind power installations are being developed to utilize the vast open land and natural conditions effectively. Industrial zones are also being introduced in selected areas where environmental stability allows for safer, long-term operations. However, this development is not random or uncontrolled. Each project is carefully designed to align with environmental conditions and to ensure that ongoing ecological restoration efforts are not disrupted. Construction planning takes into account factors such as sand movement, vegetation growth, and soil stability to maintain balance between development and nature. The result is a unique model where infrastructure growth and environmental management occur simultaneously within the same geographic space. Instead of competing with restoration efforts, development is coordinated with them, creating a structured approach that allows both progress and ecological improvement to continue side by side. Integration with national energy strategy. Desert development projects are not isolated initiatives. They are closely connected to China's broader national energy strategy. These regions are being systematically integrated into long-term planning as key assets for large-scale renewable energy production. Because deserts offer vast open land and strong natural conditions, they are increasingly being used as major hubs for solar and wind power generation. The consistent sunlight and wide, unobstructed spaces make them ideal locations for building extensive renewable energy infrastructure at scale. The electricity produced in these remote desert zones is not confined to local use. Instead, it is transmitted across long distances through advanced power transmission networks, delivering energy directly to densely populated urban centers and industrial regions where demand is significantly higher. This system creates a clear division of efficiency. Energy is generated in regions best suited for production and consumed in regions with the highest usage requirements. By separating production and consumption in this way, the overall energy system becomes more balanced, efficient, and capable of supporting large-scale national development. Long-term environmental impact. One of the most important long-term goals of China's desert development projects is environmental stabilization. Instead of focusing only on short-term construction or immediate land use, these initiatives are designed to gradually restore balance in fragile ecosystems over time. Through continuous efforts to control sand movement, expand vegetation cover, and improve soil conditions, these projects aim to reduce ecological imbalance in desert regions. Each step contributes to slowing down desert expansion and strengthening the natural structure of the land. Although the results of such large-scale environmental work cannot be achieved quickly, they are intended to develop steadily over many years. The process is gradual, requiring patience, consistent maintenance, and long-term planning rather than instant outcomes. Ultimately, the objective is to create more sustainable and balanced land use patterns, where desert regions are no longer seen as unstable or unproductive areas, but as managed environments that support both ecological health and future development needs. A model for future land use. China's desert transformation projects represent a fundamentally new way of thinking about land utilization and long-term planning. Instead of restricting development only to naturally fertile land or already urbanized regions, this approach expands the definition of usable space to include areas that were previously ignored or considered unsuitable. This shift allows deserts and other challenging landscapes to be integrated into national development strategies rather than being left outside the system. Through careful planning and advanced engineering, these regions are gradually being converted into multi-purpose zones that serve different functions at the same time. As a result, a new model of land use is emerging, one where environmental restoration, renewable energy production, and infrastructure development can operate together within the same geographic space. Rather than separating nature and development, this system attempts to coordinate both in a structured and balanced way. Over time, this approach is redefining the traditional boundary between usable and unusable land. Areas once seen as empty or unproductive are now being reconsidered as strategic resources capable of supporting future growth, energy needs, and ecological improvement simultaneously. Global implications. As climate change intensifies and land scarcity becomes an increasingly important global issue, desert development strategies are beginning to attract attention beyond China. Many countries are now re-evaluating how they view and utilize their arid and semi-arid regions in light of new technological and environmental possibilities. Nations that possess large desert areas are closely observing how these environments are being transformed into productive and functional assets, rather than remaining unused land. The integration of renewable energy projects, ecological restoration, and infrastructure development in such regions is seen as a potential model for future growth. This approach has the potential to influence global thinking on land management and energy planning. Instead of treating deserts solely as geographic limitations, they may increasingly be viewed as strategic spaces that can contribute to energy security, environmental balance, and long-term development goals. Over time, these ideas could reshape how different countries design their infrastructure strategies, especially in regions facing similar challenges of land shortage and rising energy demand.